Good morning dear students. Today we will be starting our new chapter number 8, reproduction in animals. In the previous chapter, that is chapter number 6, living and non-living things, we have studied one characteristics of the living things. That was, if you remember or recall it, what was that characteristics? That living things reproduce. In that we have studied what is reproduction. Reproduction is the process by which living things produce young ones of their own kinds. What are living things? Plants, animals, human beings. This all are the living things. So living things, they produce young one of their own kind. Like cow, it produces calf. Dog, the young ones, they are called puppies. Cat, young ones, they are called as kittens. Like this way, they produce their own kind offspring or the young ones. So this process is known as reproduction. So if I write what is reproduction, reproduction is a process by which living things or the animals, plant and living things, all of this had come, produce young ones. What are young ones? They are the babies. Produce young ones of their own kind. Now the reproduction, it is very necessary, or we can say that this reproduction, it is very important to maintain the continuity of life. What will happen if the reproduction will not be there? Then the life will come to an end. So now let us read from the book. Take out page number 66 of your book. That is chapter number 8, reproduction in animals. All living things have the ability to produce more of their own kinds. Yes, all living things, they have an ability. Ability means they have a capacity to produce the young ones of their own kinds. The process by which living things produce young one of their own kind is called reproduction. Reproduction, why it is important? Reproduction is important for the continuity of life on the earth. Animals, all the animals reproduce by two different ways. Some animals reproduce by giving birth to the young one, while the other, they lay the egg. So we can say that reproduction, all the living things or all the animals, they reproduce by two ways. One, by producing young ones, and the another by laying egg. So in today's class we will be studying about the egg laying animals and birds. The egg laying animals, you might be knowing it. Egg laying animals, the common example, you might have seen in your home any egg laying animal. Can you guess any egg laying animals? It is lizard, mosquitoes. These are very common example. Ants. The other example like snake, crocodile, turtle. This all the animals, they lay the egg, and inside the egg the development of the baby, it take place, and the animals, they used to keep the egg at the warm place, or they used to sit on the egg to provide the warm temperature or the warm condition to the egg. And after some time, what happens? The egg, it ruptures. Ruptures means the egg is broken out and the baby, it comes out from the egg. So now look at page number 67, everyone. Egg laying animals. Look at the top, egg laying animals on page number 67. So let us read now. Animals like birds, frogs, ants, butterflies, snakes, lizards, crocodiles, mosquitoes, turtles and housefly reproduce by laying eggs. This all the animals, they reproduce by laying eggs. The baby develops inside the egg. It needs warm condition for development. Warm condition means high temperature. They need high temperature for the development of the baby. So parent animals either keep egg in warm place or they sit on egg to keep them warm. When the egg matures, the baby hatches out, and the baby, it hatches out from the egg. So let us write a few of the names of the egg laying animals. The common lizard, that you can easily remember. After lizard, the common example, ants, snake, turtle. This all the animals, they lay egg. Then next it comes the birds. All the birds, they reproduce by laying eggs. Many birds build nests to lay eggs. They sit on egg to keep them warm. The habit of animals sitting on their egg in order to keep them warm is called incubation. Now all the birds, they reproduce by laying egg. All of these birds, they reproduce by laying egg. All the birds, they lay egg. You can write any example of the bird like pigeon, sparrow, peacock, parrot. This all the birds, they lay the egg. And what do the birds they used to do? They used to build the nest, and in that nest they used to lay the egg. And the birds, they used to sit on the egg to give the warm condition to the egg. This is known as incubation. So what is incubation? The habit of animals sitting on their egg in order to keep or in order to provide warm condition. It is called as incubation. So in the next class we will be studying about the internal structure of the egg. So that's all for today's class. Goodbye. Have a nice day. God bless you all.